Here are 5 useful tips and tricks to help you effectively solve LeetCode problems. 1. Understand the problem thoroughly before coding. Before jumping into coding, take time to fully understand the problem statement, input, output format, and constraints. Carefully analyze edge cases and example test cases. Try to clarify. What is the input size? Are there any limitations? Time-space complexity? Can the problem be solved with brute force, or is an optimized solution necessary? Tip: write down examples on paper or use visual tools to map out the solution process before coding. A strong understanding will save you time debugging later. 2. Master data structures algorithms. Most LeetCode problems are based on fundamental data structures, arrays, strings, trees, graphs, etc., and common algorithms, dynamic programming, greedy, divide and conquer, etc. Knowing which approach works best for a problem type will help you quickly identify the right solution. Trick: keep a list of common problems and solutions for different data structures and algorithms. This will help you recognize patterns across problems. For example, binary search for sorted arrays or finding target values. 2 pointers for problems involving strings, arrays, and linked lists. 3. Optimize step-by-step and refactor code. Start with a simple, even brute force solution to get a working version, and then look for optimizations to improve time or space complexity. Once your solution works, refactor the code for readability and efficiency. 4. Practice debugging and tracing code. Many times, the issue in solving a LeetCode problem comes down to small errors or missing edge cases. To become more efficient, practice tracing your code with test cases, especially tricky edge cases like empty inputs, negative numbers, or large data sets. Tip: use print statements or debugging tools to monitor variable changes and flow of control. Visualizing the code execution can help you catch mistakes early and adjust your logic accordingly. 5. Learn to break down complex problems. If a problem seems too complex, try breaking it down into smaller, manageable subproblems. Many problems, especially dynamic programming or recursive problems, can be solved by dividing the task into smaller pieces and solving those incrementally. Tip: use tools like Big O notation, saucy bip, to analyze the complexity of your initial solution, gradually improve it while keeping in mind the problem's constraints. Look for techniques like memoization, pre-computation, or reducing the search space. By applying these techniques, you'll enhance your problem-solving skills and improve your efficiency on LeetCode.